Tyrell, fuck a photo. We're filming this shit, man.
Go a little faster. Student driver.
What's up ahead?
Hallelujah. Stop sign. Please don't come outside. I don't know what I'm doing. Oh, you wanna?
We're going straight across. But before we go straight across, what we gotta do?
Left right.
We got multiple vehicles approaching.
Yeah, they turning, they not turning. Yeah.
Don't ever go off the turn signal because somebody can change their mind in the last second.
Yeah, my mama does that all the time.
You be like, I thought you were turning in. Next thing you know, you in an accident.
Boom, splat. I can go ahead though.
No. And don't forget, we still got cars coming from this direction too.
I can go now. My shit.
Nice job. You said you know how to get home, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So I don't gotta take nothing else.
You do. Just say it. Just do it anyway. Just
Take the middle lane. Middle lane.
Oh, why? My house down here.
He said to tell you.
Oh.
I want to see if you gonna pay attention. Is anybody coming?
Yeah. Both sides. Fast bird. They come right down this way.
Mm-hmm. Hold on now. You go when you ready.
I can go.
Yes.
No.
Don't ever let no driver rush you, and they can't see what you see.
I'm a student driver. Y'all don't know me.
You're gonna take a right on this short street.
Slow it down a bit. There you go, Kills. Keep it going.
What's up ahead?
A stop sign.
A lot of people don't stop here.
Yeah, I know.
I see it all the time. Don't you be one of those.
I'm a student driver.
We're going to the left. Hold up. We're going to the left, but alright. So otherwise, I'm thinking you're going straight ahead.
Can't really go straight, sorry, sir. Into the building.
What's up ahead?
A railroad track.
This railroad track don't have any bars, so you gotta make sure ain't no train actually coming.
Sorry. You don't have no. Oh, yeah, look.
Take a left. Keep straight. Get in your lane. Once we get to this stop sign, we're gonna make a right-hand turn. You
Kinda soon.
Oh, you were too ready. Don't put it on now though. What we turn the right on?
Main Street.
Alright.
Come on, move on here, kid. Brace yourself. I can turn.
Tell me.
Get
In the
your
right
lane.
flying lane. We got a what?
Stop.
Oh, we got a green light.
Oh.
So go.
Oops. It's definitely gonna make that good old stop. Cause you're on a busy road. Don't do no mailing. 35.
What's the speed limit?
35.
Okay. But when it's raining, do we want to actually do the whole speed
No,
limit?
but you can hydroplane the speed slow and steady. Just slow it down.
It's a hill that we can't see over. Don't slow all the way down.
Speed it up a little bit, kid. Oh, I can have to make a left turn. I always miss the turn. You don't give a fuck direction. So I got.
We got folks pulling out in front of us.
Wow, sweetie, I'm a student driver. I didn't get
We
no
know you got to turn by
lane.
the store though.
Huh? They get turn later.
Yes.
But you keep riding the turn.
Get in it and stay in it. Don't come back over. Now you got people beside you.